Hello and welcome to a new HiCAD short clip. In this video I will show you some new features concerning operation and user interface. With HiCAD 2024 Service Pack 1, the transparent toolbar and the attribute mask have received a graphical upgrade. The toolbar is now dynamically scalable and reacts to the Windows display settings. The old attribute masks are displayed in the new style. Both elements can still be operated in the same way. The selection dialog when importing a third-party file via drag and drop or double-click can be disabled via a new option in the configuration. The stored favorite for the respective format is automatically used. The repair tool in the import dialog has been given the new option Move to Origin, which can be used to move the geometry to the origin. This helps to avoid inaccuracies during the import. When moving and rotating using the SpaceMouse, a view calculation is performed as soon as the controller cap is no longer deflected. This leads to frequent waiting times for larger drawings. This behavior can be changed via a configuration entry so that the calculation only takes place after a mouse movement. After the update, ending the rotation with a mouse movement becomes the default behavior. Users of the rating configurator will also be pleased. After selecting the profiles, the dialog now opens in a fraction of the previous time. If externally referenced parts were loaded with a new index when opening a drawing, the referenced assembly containing the parts was not offered for saving. With Service Pack 1, these externally referenced assemblies can now also be saved. New options are available in the dialog for saving referenced parts. The default setting can be preset in the configuration. Detailed information can be found in the online help. The start mode for edge selection can now be defined in the default settings for sheet metal parts. For example, the front edge must always be selected when lengthening. After an update, the front edge is stored as the new default and can be changed via the configuration. The operation of the design checker has also been improved with Service Pack 1. You can now use the familiar methods to make multiple selection of tests and activate them collectively. A search function is always available for quickly finding a test. Access to 3D Find It has been simplified to a single entry. The title bar now shows which version is active. Copying and pasting next to the HiCAD clipboard no longer generates a message for a selected sheet metal subpart. Instead, the sheet metal part is copied or pasted as a whole. Finally, you can select in the HiCAD GUI reset whether the last used documents should be loaded or saved or not. That's all for this HiCAD short clip. I hope you enjoyed it and wish you lots of fun designing.